Kublai pi baro e penyang sobhai pi shikatup kubua mentaka janmiat shuban pai shi kubua kubanya ini pechuai kimat bekongsan. Rung baktian garo hakatup jong kitian ki ban sayo e kajing itu om khot ke kanton menteri Markus Marak. Le perda om interang ba ke jelau konrat sangma ya ke water smart kids jong Meghalaya school campaign po kajal jidan mission. Balat Shipo hajar ngut kibri ke basyak penyap ha Gaza kat bakat saus pak ngut pat ha Israel ha ketema ke badang beteng ha pedeng ke Israel bat kileno Hamas. Bat kuak ke nongelam berim keseng Kongres banwan pai biang sya keseng ong nongelam keseng Kongres iba Roni Lingdo. Kubor kibobnya. Menteri jangka kenhun menteri bat unongelam Nagaru Hills Markus Marak negasngi ula pentip bagatanat ki kampok yeng kala dap ban pentikna bai kektian garu on saperkhat ban penrung hakatup benrap ke bapra jong keriti sensyar kadar keri. Marak badon lang ha ka kenhun ke belej bunyi kendu iki he katanat kampok yeng hanong ba Delhi ula ong bagatanat kan sapa e ka shiti sya uminjarang ba ka jela bat syaka Aceh Literature Society halor kene.
When we met, we came to learn that the list which we were seeking to include again in the list for consideration under 8th schedule for Garo language also. They have never omitted and they have never deleted any languages who have applied for the inclusion. The Joint Secretary has assured us that he'll be sending the letter, that it is already there in the list for consideration. You don't have to worry. And the letter will be sent to Literature Society, and then Chief Minister, he will be sending to Chief Minister as well. So this is how the story is. It's there already, Khasi and Garo for consideration.
Menteri rang ba ke jela konrat sangmah negasngi ula pli perda ya ke water smart kids Meghalaya ke campaign jong ke school hapo ke jal jiven mission ringkat ke jing temu ban penslur bat ai jing hikai ki kena syapang ke jing penne pensa e ke bat ya ki jing tau ba em haka kane ke campaign kan penslur ki ban long ki nong ra tin siem ha ke liang ke jing penne pensa e ke ha ki shnong ba ki shong ki sa ka sarkar negasngi kala ai khusnam ru ya ki nong ri nong sumar ya ka kum ki shnong ki thau ba ki dekhot jong ki shnong na ka benta ka jing tre shitom ka jong ki banyada ya ki jing thau ba em ha aba ai jing kran ha ka negasngi menturang ba ka jela konrat sangma ulo ong ba lingba ka jing shem benta jong ki shnong ki thau ban pentrei kam ya ka jal jiven mission ka Meghalaya kala don lupa ha ka lenti ban long ka nong shem benta ka ba hadrong du ha ka negas scheme ha ka ri baro ka wei Menteri Ketanat PHE Markus Marak ru ulayaro Ketanat PHE baga kenhun jong ka jal jiven mission na ka benta ka jing tre shitom ka jong ki ban pendam ya ka thong balabu.
We are looking at projects worth about 8,000 crores that is being implemented as we speak to preserve our water, preserve our environment, preserve our natural resources. What is important is now we have moved forward, now how to make it better. How to improve and make it even perfect. How to ensure that the water quality is there, the water source is there. So all of these aspects need to be examined, and it can only happen if the team works as a team and we work with a full commitment.
The sessions planned under this campaign are not mere lectures. They are interactive, educational, and most importantly, fun. They are designed to engage, enlighten and inspire our children to become advocates for water conservation in their respective communities. The impact of this initiative is not confined within the walls of classroom. It has the potential to echo throughout our society and beyond.
Kat ba katma ha padengi kenhun le no Hamas bat ke Israel kala kanjo sya ke shibanai kenti shi haja saus pak ngut ki brieu kala yap bat palat as pak ngut kila syakset koidi ha Israel palat shipo hajar ngut ki brieu ki bakentop ya palat saw hajar sis pak ngut ki kena kila syak penyap ha Gaza kat kum ke jingken bala ai de ketat ke kot ke khia bala penyat de ki kenhun le no Hamas kat ba ka jinge kaja kadang beteng ha pratali ki jaka badon ha ke benta ba syatei jong ka Gaza strip ka jinglong jingman ha ka benta ba shatei ka Gaza kala nang snew bon na ki jaka shet jingbam ba he kila ha ban khang khrdep na ka jingbam don ata bat panyang bon na kinongelam bat ki dekhot berim kila kerpat ban sha ban rung biang shakaseng Henry ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kam don mon ban padiang biang iki unongelam ka seng Congress iba aroni vilingdo ila ong henden ka sngi babon na ki dekhot berim ka seng ki kwa ban wan phai biang shakaseng Henry ka seng kam patla ban padiang yanu na mar ki don katu kat ne ki kendon bahap ban bot Dangshan usketri ka AICC ubadai khmi eka jela Meghalaya umanish chatrat ula kam badon katu kat ne kinongelam berim ka seng ha ka jela ki balai kren halor batu ba ka jingkwa ban wan phai biang shakaseng iba lingdo ilo ong ba manu ki bakwa ban penyeso biang bat ka seng Congress ki dei ban sedang biang kum ki dekhot ki bathamai jong ka seng
A lot of people want to come back to the Congress, but then we simply cannot accept anyone and everyone. We have to look at all angles because we have certain procedures, certain procedures. Where if somebody wants to join the Congress, then if they have resigned, then we'll have first, become primary members first. Then after they join as primary members, then automatically they become congressmen. So that is the procedure. Okay, so but then people have realized now that this is a national party, the oldest national party in the country, almost 140 years old. So yes, in politics, you go up and down, and then a party that has lasted so long cannot simply, vanish. So
Kaseng United Democratic Party but Kaseng Hill State People's Democratic Party kala thau biang ya ka Regional Democratic Alliance lani RDA kenang ban pen kre lang na ka benta ka election ke yang ba Lok Sabha ka balabu ban pelong la Shamsnam la pelong ya ka jingelang jong ka RDA nen ka sngi ha ka ba la jet ya unong elam ka seng UDP ba met ba lingdo ko mu chairman jong ka ya unong elam ka seng HSPDP iba KP Pangyang ko mu secretary ya unong elam barang ba ka seng HSPDP ba UMDC na mau kenrau iba Martil Mukim kum u co-chairman bat ya president ka seng UDP jong ka East Khasi iba Jeta Starwell Khan kum assistant secretary.
The two political parties sat and decided on the matters related to the Regional Democratic Alliance. In the past, we've been working together with HSPDP, UDP and HSPDP. And after the general election 2023, we did sat again and discuss matters related to the RDA on the 30th of May 2023. In today's meeting, we have also nominated the chairman of the RDA, the co-chairman of the RDA, the secretary also was elected, and the secretary also was elected.
Kaseng Congress kadon jengkermen banjob ya bun teli kishuki hak election MDC ke Bansawan. Unong elam Kaseng Congress iba Roni V Lingdo ili tu basyen Kaseng kan sepelong ya ke jengelang ban pendap ya ke rukom katkum ke an na ke benta ke election MDC ke Bansalong. Ila pentip ru bakane ke election ka long ka bakong santam ha ke jela ba ila ong ba ke Congress ke dei ban yo e ke nam na ke benta ka jeng penyo e ke tup benrap ke ban riau bat ya ke district council ki belong ki nong eda ya ke hok jong ki rit pa ha ke jela.
we're preparing. So soon we'll be having a meeting to complete the formality because we have certain procedures. Okay. MDC election, or rather this council is so crucial to to the state of Meghalaya. So I think people will judge. They'll not simply vote anyone 75 years back, 76 years back. We have such a law that has protected us, our land, our customary laws and usages, our language, our way of administration, the traditional way. So we are very fortunate. So, and this also I must credit the Congress leaders.
Kaskul ba Northeastern Hill University kalayas nok tilang bat ka Melbourne University jong ka Australia na kabenta ka British Library Endangered Archives program na ni BLEEP. Kani ka program ka thumu ban penrung i khana pateng shipang ka culture jong kini ki ari ha ka digital archives. ya ka blip project la penyaj da ka British Library kat baya ka jingbei tingka la no da ka Arcadia ka badai ka senjuk ka bakhmi ya ka bah kamiat jongi patba ka leng ka perthai u folklorist u badairu u professor ka nehu iba Desmond Karmau Plang bat u professor ka subject history ka school ba Melbourne u Andrew J May kila ong ba ka ne ka program ka long ka bakong san ka ban lum ya ki jingtho ki kot ki bakong san ki kot khubor ki shithi ki dur ha ki computer Kamashwa ya kene iba Desmond Karmau Plang ila ong ba kila pelong ya kene ka jing ter pat ba da ka jing tmu ban pentep syaki pat ba halo kene ka project.
So this represents
so a 12-month project. It was not digitising everything. It was a pilot project, but as part of that, we have identified and we have learned that there is a significant amount of more material that could be digitised in the future, and that could be part of another phase of the project if we apply for funding. We collected a number of these types of materials. So we collected materials, for example, from the Assam Club, materials from the Sacred Heart Theological College Library, where they had really important collections of early Khasi language newspapers that are fragmented and rare, and sometimes the only copy that exists.
Penterekam yang project lengba ke North Eastern University Shillong, ke University of Melbourne, Australia. The lengba ini project ngilala ban document, ngilala ban digitize, bun ba ki spa material ke ba.
Kajal Diwali Women for Water, Water for Women campaign hapo kajing penyat ketenat Housing and Urban Affairs kelas sedang Meghalaya. Lai lam ya bungut kilong kemi mentagas ngi sya kejaka sam umbam umdi kebedon ha mau plang na kebentaban ai jingtip halo kerukom penkhut ya ke U Sekretari Kemuda u PK Boro ula ong bala shim ya kene ke senjam kumshi bentaban wanra e kejing long snotrai lapan sedang ru ya kene ke campaign ha West Giant Hills District but ya ke program la pelong ha Urkla Water Treatment Plan Jawai. Kajing temu jong kene kajing let jurep kalong bandon ya kajing long snotrai ha pedeng kilong kemie. Kamtam ha kabe day bat ki jingtei ya ki jaka pelang Kumshi benta jong ke National Children's Science Congress ajar apply ke balai puai la pelong ia ka State Level Children's Science Congress ka ba arsngi ha auditorium jong ke Shillong College ringkat ke pang pedeng Understanding Ecosystem for Health and Wellbeing. Ia ke Science Congress la pelong da ke State Council of Science, Technology and Environment Meghalaya. Aba ajeng kren kum ukongsan u director ke School Education and Literacy u Swapnil Tembe u lapan pau kajing ngos camp bagi kena pulia jong ke lawai kin la ban long ki nong syam thamai ki ban penbej ya kajing e ba ka jela ka kendo don na pedeng ki kena pulia ki bele syam benta ha kene ke lempung ke le kren bat ka Didi News halo kajing kela ka suimreng bat ka jing jabo ke
Bottles, 40% are carry bags and 50% are chip. Last but not the least,
we ourselves are experiencing so much of global warming, climate change, erratic rainfall. I mean, weather cannot be predicted. Climate is shifting like anything. So there are many challenges. And science provides us the opportunity to create some answers. Now we are talking so much about solar energy, renewable energy, wind energy, tidal energy. There's so many different aspects coming up.
Ting shop ke Bollywood Raj Kumar Rao hinin gesngi ula play ya ke Cherry Bean Cafe ke badon ha polis bazar Kandailan belasenran lang ya da ke kurim jong ka Patra Lekha Paul ke badairu ke Puron ke Basyong Basa Shillong. Aba ajing tren ke Patra Lekha ke laong ba ke jing teli kan urlong tang lada kin nong tho bat ki director na Bollywood kin sngotu ya ke jinglong jingman jong ke jela bat kin tho khana shapang jongka. Raj Kumar Rao lapan pau ya ke jing sngotenat jong halo ke jing play ya ke ne ke cafe bethamai ba ula keren ru halo ka jing don jing jong ke jela Meghalaya ka balong kum shibenta ban kring ya ki nong shna film bat ban wan ban shna ik film jongki.
But now we have this beautiful cafe here. We opened this cafe and we want all the people, all the Shillong people and even the tourists to come and have this experience because it's one of its kind.
mentainya pej ke jing long jing man ke sum bedeng Shillong ka jing shet ke long degree Celsius but ke jing kriat ke long 10 degree Celsius ka jing skam gau hau ke long san khundai nak shispa men step but rupusan nak shispa jan miet ka sun beneng kan rang chawan poi she ke bakut jong thup khubon pe byang sa asian nikimat bakong san Rung ke ketian garu ke thup jong ke ketian ke ban sayo e ke jing itu ong udkhot ke kenhon menteri Markus Marak Leperdau menturang bak ke jelau konrad sangmai ke Water Smart Kids jong ke Meghalaya School Campaign pok ke Jal Jivan Mission Balat Shipo Hajar ngut kibri ke besar penyap Gaza kat ba Shi Hajar Saus pak ngut pat Israel kat ma ke badang beteng pedeng ke Israel bat kileno Hamas Bat kuat ke nongelam berim ke seng Kongres menwan pai biang sya ke seng ong nongelam ke seng Kongres iba Roni Lingdo Te parlok de kitu ki khubong la poi chubakut jong thup khubor jing meta jan miet hadu bang ni shem pla shai ke sngi ha ga ju ko po ku be shiboni pi baro